Hello, this is the installation guide for the mobile tracking app, which also doubles as an anti-theft app. Now, this is the app which is called Google Camera. This app only installs and works on Android 6.0 and above. So if you are using below Android 6.0, this app will not be able to install on your device. So let's get on with the installation of the app. So I would click on the app. So this is the installation instruction. Okay, so it's very important you go through the installation guide to know all the necessary steps to be followed in installing this app appropriately for your device. So I'll click on OK. Then these are the requested permissions and the reasons why these permissions were requested for the functionality of the app. So I'll click on OK. Then I'll begin to grant the permission. It is important we give access to all permission. Okay, then likewise the accessibility permission, very important. So I'll click on OK. Then I would look for the app. This is it. Then I'll give access to it, the accessibility permission to it. So yeah, so I will go back, then relaunch the app. So seems there was an issue with the accessibility permission. So then I'll just go back and reopen it. Then grant app usage access. Okay, so the app usage access permission also very important. Then this I'll click on OK. Then it would open the list of apps with usage access. I'll look for the app. This is it, Google Camera. Then I'll give access to it. Then I'll now click back. Okay, then you will now see draw over other apps. Then I'll now click on OK. Then I'll look for the app here and give the draw over on it. So this is it, draw over other app. So I'll click on it from here and give access to it. Then I'll click back. Then from there I will now relaunch the app again. So you can see same setup procedure. So this is the same setup procedure. Now you can see the networks that I have on my phone now, MTN and Glo network. So to set up your mobile tracker, we need to add some numbers behind the name of the SIM. So it is important you add at least 4-digit numbers. Okay, so you can read this to know the reasons. So I'll click on OK. Then to open, if you are using Android 9 or 10.0, you see dialog setting of this kind, so you are expected to click on see more. But if you are using below Android 10, you will see your normal setting dialog. So I'll click on see more. Then I'll click on my SIMs. Then this is my MTN. Then I would add some numbers behind it. So let me 9890. So you could just add any 4-digit number. It's not important for you to memorize. This is just to to make your SIM unique and for tracking purpose. So I'll click on OK, then set up the second SIM. So let me use 8919. Okay, I'll click on OK, then click back. Okay, so I'll click on done. For the second one, I'll click on done to continue my installation. So you can see the SIM has been set up. So you can see now I'm going to the mimicry settings. So you can see mimicry settings set up. Okay, so I'm to select the app to mimic. Now the essence of this is the tracking app is to disguise as another app, and based on the way it has been set as Google Camera, so I would select my camera app so that anytime it is being opened, it will open and launch my camera app as a disguise. And this can be set to open any app on your phone. So but if you want the name to be changed in accordance with the app you want to mimic, then you can contact me so that I will modify the app to suit the app you want to mimic. But for now, since it has been set as Google Camera, I would use it to mimic my camera app. To open my list of apps, then I would look for my camera app. This is it. I'll select it, then click back to go back, then I'll wait for the next instruction. So you can see it has been set to camera to mimic the camera app. Okay, so this installation step has been done. Then the tracking pin, now this is now to set up the tracking pin. Okay, so input a 4-digit number. This pin will be used to track your phone whenever it is stolen or lost. So you will include it with a tracking phrase to be sent to the phone. So let me use 4191. Okay, so your tracking pin is 4191. Okay, so I'll wait for the next instruction. So emergency number, to set up the emergency number, this is the number that would receive the phone details whenever the phone is stolen or lost and the SIM is changed. Then the new SIM would send a message with the tracking information, the details of the phone to this number. So this number I want to put now will be the one to receive the phone information. So I will use my other number, my Airtel number in my other phone, 07081579739. Okay, so this number will receive the information of the phone. So I'll click on OK. So you can see the emergency number has been set up. Now the display message, this is the message that will be displayed on the phone when it is stolen and perhaps the thief or the intruder has changed the SIM, or perhaps has maybe placed the phone on flight mode. So if you can't reach the phone, then automatically the phone will initiate theft mechanism, which will display this message that we are going to put here on the phone. So you can see an example of a message here. This phone is lost or stolen. Please, if found, kindly reach me on this. So let me set okay, let me put, if this phone is found, kindly reach me Then let me place that my Airtel number 07081579739. Okay. Thanks. Okay, so this will be the display message on the phone. Should in case an intruder places the phone on flight mode without the access pin being included, then the phone will initiate also theft mechanism that would also display this message on the phone. So I'll click on OK. Then it says your display message has been set. Okay, so I'll wait for the next installation instruction. Now this is access pin auto setup. This pin is the master access to the app, and the app itself automatically generates the pin. So my pin is 68109. So it is important you take note of this pin because it can't be changed. So you can see this pin cannot be changed, and you need it to gain access into the menu settings of the app to change certain things. Perhaps you want to change your emergency number or your pin, you will need this access pin to change it. So it is very, very important. And also, if you are placing your phone on flight mode, or if you are changing your SIM as the owner of the phone, there will be a need for you to input your access pin to give access. Without it, the phone will consider you as an intruder. So I'll click on OK. Then I'll wait for the final installation setup. Okay, so this is just the setup, and there is a free trial usage which is 3 days, and this will end Saturday 12th of March. And this is my app serial number. So this serial number is needed for you to generate your activation pin for your premium usage. So I'll take note of the serial number. So from here, as a user, if you would want to continue with free usage till this day, then you can just click on cancel. But if not, you can just click on get code to purchase your activation code for premium usage, because after this day, that will be on Sunday of this day, then the app security and tracking features will be deactivated, and the phone will be left porous for theft. So let me just click on cancel for this guide just to show you. So you can see 3 days free usage. You are now on free usage till this day. So this app has been fully set up and running on the phone. Now whenever I lock up my phone and unlock it, whenever the phone is locked up and unlocked, it would display a toast message showing the status of the app. But since I am using my screen record, which will automatically stop when I lock up my phone, so I won't be able to show this on the tutorial. Now it is important that you set up two more things for the full functionality of the app. One is you remove useless notification. Some permission might be showing. I think we've granted this. Sometimes useless notification might be showing up like this, so you need to deactivate this. So you tap to deactivate, very important. Then the next thing you will do now is to do battery optimization setup. This is important to prevent the app from being killed by task killers. So I'll go to battery lab and click on app power consumption management. Then I'll allow it to load and search for my Google Camera app, which is a disguise for the tracking app. So I will search for it from here. This is it. Then I'll put it on no restriction. It is very important you do this setting so that the app will keep on running on your phone, and as long as it runs, the security is guaranteed as a tracking device and as an anti-theft app. Now let's try one of the functionality of the app. Now if I place the app on flight mode,
flight mode has been activated.
Flight mode has been activated. Now if I don't click on this toast, then automatically it will assume I am an intruder. Okay, it will assume I am an intruder and it will initiate theft mechanism. So you can see the phone has been locked.
If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
So you can see the reason why it is displaying this was because
If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
I didn't tap the
If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
If I tap the toast notification, then it won't.
If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
100% active shows the
status. If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
Now this toast notification will continue to show until I deactivate.
If this phone is found, kindly reach me on 07081579739. Thanks.
In two ways: by offing my flight mode. I've deactivated the flight mode now.
Flight mode has been deactivated.
So it has been deactivated, so it will automatically deactivate this theft mechanism that was initiated by placing my phone on flight mode. And this happened because I didn't input the access code. Now let's try that again and input.
Flight mode has been activated.
Now I've clicked on the toast, so I'll input my access code, which is 68109. Now you can see access granted, your airplane mode usage is granted. So this would not initiate theft mechanism because that has shown that the user actually placed the phone on flight mode. So you can see this is not showing any toast message of theft or lost or being stolen. So that's one. Then secondly, also, if this phone SIM is ejected and the SIM you've actually set up, your SIM that you have set up is changed, the phone will also do the same. Now when the phone is removed, I won't be able to do that now. Okay, I think I can actually try that in this tutorial. Okay, when the SIM is removed and another SIM is placed, then the phone would initiate theft mechanism if the access code isn't granted. Okay, but in this tutorial I won't be inserting another SIM. I would only be ejecting the SIM just to show you that it monitors the SIM. Okay,